on, everyone! Time to find the fun!
Yeah, oh, okay. Looks like we're starting. It's gonna be really fun.
Seriously? Why do you think it'll be fun?
I read about it in the manual. Is it all going to be so interactive? It's making me dizzy.
Come on, be positive!
I'm positive I'm dizzy. Oh, the emotional whirlwind is coming to an end. Please remain seated until your memory mover comes to a complete stop. Then a mind worker will open the door for you. Come on!